Qingdao Haozhonghao Woodworking Machinery Company Limited was established in 1992 with more than 20 years professional wood machine manufacturing history. Company is located in Shandong Province and enjoy convenient transportation access. Our company covers an area of 4,850 square meters, integrates research development, manufacturing, marketing, trade in one company. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We formed a complete veneer production line from slicing, drying, cutting to measurement. Company access to a number of national patents and exclusively compile horizontal veneer slicer standard. Adopting advanced Italy technology launched sanding machine with international advanced level. Company obtained ISO 9001, many products with CE certificates. Company's products won Community Recommended Products from China Forestry Machinery Association. Company owns a wide range of products such as sanding machine, veneer equipment, panel processing equipment, solid wood equipment, and general equipment. With 5 series, 100 varieties. We have 20 years experiences in exporting high-quality woodworking machinery to Europe, America, Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Company has equipment showroom, deals various types of domestic and foreign woodworking machinery, and supply the veneer, solid wood, floor, door production line, equipment, accessories. We also have high-level engineer team to supply installation and maintenance service overseas. We are looking forward to close cooperation with you. Welcome to Haozhonghao Woodworking Machinery.